Hey there, bird lovers! Let's take a trip into the heart of the rainforest, where the macaw parrot rules the treetops with its stunning colors and clever personality. Just imagine the flash of blue and gold wings soaring through the canopy, or the fiery feathers of a scarlet macaw catching the sunlight. These birds don't just look amazing, they're some of the smartest animals in the wild. Macaws come in all sizes, from the huge royal blue hyacinth to the playful little mini macaws. Each species has its own style, but they all share a love for life and a knack for mimicking sounds, even human speech. If you've ever wanted to have a chat with a bird, macaws are your best bet. But what really melts my heart is the way macaws pair up. These birds mate for life, forming deep bonds and raising chicks together, side by side. It's true devotion, right there in the treetops. Macaws live on a diet of nuts, fruit, and seeds, and they can live for up to 60 years or more. That's a long time to spend cracking open Brazil nuts. Their intelligence rivals that of a young child, solving puzzles, learning tricks, and even outsmarting their keepers sometimes. Sadly, macaws face big threats. Deforestation and the illegal pet trade are shrinking their world. But there's hope. Wildlife groups are working hard to protect these vibrant creatures and their rainforest homes. So next time you hear the squawk of a parrot, remember the majestic macaw, the heart and soul of the rainforest. Thanks for joining me on this colorful journey. Don't forget to spread your wings and support bird conservation.